Alright everyone, so I wanted to bust all the crybabies out here, and even the dealer and factory scheduled maintenances. That it says that you should replace your air filter yearly or every 20,000 miles. Alright, so this car here is a 2023 with 15,000 miles on it. So should the customer really wait 20,000 miles? Hell no. Should they have replaced it in the first year of its life? Probably not. It's environment and conditions that you subject your vehicle to that predicates and dictates air filter replacement, along with all the other maintenance of your vehicle. Now this car was at another shop for an oil change, and this shit didn't just fill up overnight. There's their shop. All right. Did their mechanic even recommend cleaning out the wiper cowl for this customer? No, you can tell it's been like that. It's been like that so long that the wiper arm is packed down with debris and bugs and everything else. What happens here, that holds moisture, and it's going to continue to put that moisture in the pivots of the wiper arm assembly and prematurely make that fail or seize up. Let alone that the drains over there and there can't drain, and now it's putting an immense amount of drainage in here that's not designed for that. Your drainage systems in your wiper cowl are not sewer systems, although they work like that. And here's the air filter. Clogged. You don't wait for it to be full, you wait for it to show signs of from white to dark, and you change it. Wanted to bust the asses out here for all the crybabies saying, oh, that's oversell, that's ripoff. The air filter is still going to become dirty over a year's period of time. Our visual inspection is just indicators of what the condition is. It doesn't say how bad it is, but typically we're getting air filters that are way beyond our serviceable limits. Never top the coolant off at the last oil change place. It don't take much for today's vehicles to overheat on a 15,000 mile car. Look at this. PCV system diaphragm. Oh man, what are you guys doing to these cars? You're just making them worse. Making them worse. Making it worse. Could you imagine what the cabin air filter looks like along with the air filter in this vehicle? All right, you need a good mechanic, you need a good shop. You want your car in tip-top condition and well-maintained. Check us out.